Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC. So all you have to do is just simply open up your browser and you simply want to type, whether in the URL option section here or anywhere where you have a search, you can simply type in CapCut and you will simply see it start to populate, say CapCut for PC, and you can simply go ahead and hit enter. This will take you into a search, whether it's going to be Bing or Google, whichever appears. Just simply look for the CapCut main website and you can simply click there to download CapCut. So you will see the option where it says CapCut and you will see it says download. You can click anywhere and it will take you over to the page where you can download CapCut. Now you have an option here about cookies. You can simply decline, accept. It's up to you. So you know, guys, there is option for CapCut to be downloaded on PC. So you can simply go ahead and choose whether you want it for a Mac. And at the top there, you will see download. You can simply hover over it and you will see whether you can download for Windows or Mac or even for mobile. But we're focusing on the Windows or Mac option here. So simple choose this option, download for Windows or Mac. It will take you over to this page here and you will see it automatically start to download for you. And as you can see here, it shows you the option that you simply need to run that exe file and it will download for you and you can install it on your computer. So if I open up my file explorer here, you can see that I now have CapCut. You can simply double click and follow the instruction just as it says to install it on your computer and you can use CapCut. Now, once this is finished, you can open up the CapCut application. For you, it will show that you basically have no project, so you can start by creating a new project afterwards. And once it is open up, you will be able to see the CapCut looking like this and you can start using CapCut on your Windows PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.